Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by nailing who you sell to and what they want. This matters more than fancy tools. Identify one buyer persona and one compelling offer, because clarity makes decisions easy. Once done, map a single conversion goal and attach basic tracking like a UTM or goal in analytics so you measure progress. Make sure to create a concise lead magnet that solves a top pain. It acts as the gateway to your funnel and gets prospects into your system quickly. You now drive targeted traffic and begin nurturing. The how is channel choice plus consistent messaging. Pick 2 channels where your persona already spends time, then route that traffic to a landing page with one clear CTA and proof that reduces skepticism. Once visitors opt in, trigger a 3-step automated email sequence that welcomes, delivers value, and presents the offer. Timing matters, so space these over days to build trust. Make sure to /B test headlines and CTA copy to improve conversion rates. You finish by converting and scaling while monitoring funnels end-to-end. Double down on channels with positive return and optimize weak points. Rewrite landing copy, tweak ad targeting, or shorten email sequences if engagement drops. Once done, scale budgets incrementally and reinvest profits into top performers. Small increases preserve efficiency. If things go wrong, check funnel-level metrics, drop-off percentage, cost per acquisition, and lifetime value.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.